What a day in the life is? Yeah, it's gonna be a night in the life, basically. I like the camera quality. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dollhouse. It's DJ, and I'm back with another video. So today, we're going to be well, actually tonight, because y'all know what a day in the life is or whatever. Yes! We're gonna be filming a night in the life of me. It's gonna be, if you don't want to see average stuff, this video is not for you. Go ahead and click off. It's basically just what I do at night, with a little bit more added stuff than I regularly do, because usually I get home from work, as y'all see, I'm still in my uniform. Don't mind my room, because we'll get to that later. But yeah, usually I come from work and I go to bed, but tonight I'm gonna actually try to stay up. I'm gonna get stuff done. I'm gonna get my clothes out. I'm gonna fold some clothes. I'm gonna eat, take a shower, do homework, all that good jazz, and y'all are gonna watch me do that lovely process. If you don't want to watch that, again, click off. That's totally fine, but make sure y'all, comment, like, subscribe, all that before you leave, all that good jazz. And yeah, we're gonna get into the video.
I just like the fuck out your mama. You grown as the fuck, flashing $200. Bitch, get out of the fuck. Get in the fuck. Bitch, stop playing. You know I'm the face of the city, bitch. That's why you mad. Little bitch, the fuck. Bitch, you know my name, ho. Stop playing with me.
Okay, so I have changed into some night clothes, some pants, and then I just threw on my bonnet. Yes, I may not be, I may not have long hair, but I own a bonnet, and I wear it sometimes. And tonight is one of the nights where I'm gonna wear it anyway. So don't know how to talk about me wearing a bonnet, but anyway, yeah, we about to fold some clothes. I probably just like time lapse to it or whatever, and then after that, I'm gonna fix up my bed and I'm gonna start doing some homework. And then after that, I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, let's get into the folding.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care anything for.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Wait a damn minute.
The DJ booth is conducting a troubleshoot test of the entire system. I'm one of one. I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. No one else in this world can think like me. I'm twisted, I'll contradict it. Keep him addicted. Lies on his lips, I lick it. Unique. That's what you are. Stilettos kicking vintage crystal off the bar. Category, bad bitch, I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Whip, whip.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Selling low beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody.
Okay, y'all. So I'm done cleaning my room. I mean, y'all obviously can tell my room looks better. There's not no clothes right there. Those are not like sheets that's in that shit. Like, so when I like change my sheets like every week, I just got sheets to put on my bed. yeah, I'm done cleaning my room. I was looking for my iPad, which I probably saw. I was looking for my iPad and I could not find it. And it's not in the car. And it's not in my room, so I don't know where it is. I was supposed to be doing homework, but I don't have my iPad. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not really gonna worry about it. What the fuck is? I'm effing sad. Ooh, I wanna cuss on the YouTubes. Lord Jesus. Lord, I'm about to say don't demonetize me, but y'all don't have enough subscribers to even get money yet. Lovely. Lovely. But, yeah. I wanted the red lights a little better with the camera. I wanted the red lights a little better. I stick with my purple. I'm not gonna say what I should say. Yeah. I haven't used this phone in forever, y'all. This is my XR. I was gonna film on this, but the camera quality was not given at all. Wasn't given at all. So I decided not to film on this. And this don't got no SIM card whatsoever in this junker. So it does not get any service. I mean, I can go on Instagram if I wanted to. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all, there's old messages in here. Oh my God, ew. That is so gross. I don't talk to none of these motherfuckers no more. My whole contact list, like everybody in like my text messages and contacts is completely different. I talk to almost none of these people, which is really crazy how I switch an entire friend group in a short amount of time. Because this is from, when are the last these messages? The last messages up here are January 31st, 2022. That was the last time any messages were on this phone. So yeah, it's been about a year. So it makes sense. I don't talk to nobody. Oh my God. Even my ex-boyfriend is in here. Oh my God. Fuck that nigga. And yes, I cuss. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga. I've not been in a relationship in 2 years, y'all. 2 fucking years. I have not been with nobody but this man. This is the last man I've been with. And honestly, I may not get with nobody else after this man. Because the shit that we went through, baby, I want to go through that again. I'm literally emotionally unavailable. Ooh, I said his name. I might bleep it out. I might bleep that out. But anyway, that's who I want to be, my current nigga. But that nigga can never text back. That nigga can never make time for me. Like, and if y'all know how he is, if y'all know how I am, like, if you can't make time for me, if you can't provide for me, if you can't, like, you know, do the basic necessities, like text me and call me every day, then there's no point. Like, I'm just gonna, like, forget you even exist, honestly. Because you be forgetting I exist, like. And I be talking to him. I'm really spilling with y'all, but whatever. I be talking to him. I one day I texted him, I think it was, like, a day or two ago. And I texted him and I was like, look at our messages. He was like, what you mean? I'm like, look at all these spaces between our messages. Y'all know when y'all don't text somebody, like, a lot. And so there's a lot of timestamps or whatever. Every time you text that person, that's how our messages is. And it's whack as fuck. Anyway. That's enough of my TED Talk, y'all. Because I done told y'all more than I tell anybody. Lord Jesus. I done just let y'all into my world a bit. But, yeah. I really don't be dating nobody, y'all. I don't be really entertaining nobody. I really be minding my business. Because, I mean, I be, like, talking to people, but I don't really be dating nobody. Like, I haven't dated nobody, like I said, in 2 years. Ever since my ex, like, I've been talking to him. We've been talking off and on. And we were gonna get together. Like, we were planning to, like, work on us, like, a couple months ago. But I fell out with this person. That's a story time for another day, y'all. That's a story time for another day. But this person I fell out with, which I will do a story time on eventually, maybe in the summer. Maybe a couple of videos down, do a story time on that. But, yeah, I fell out with this person, whatever. And that person was being petty and malicious and texted the person I was talking to. And somehow they knew I was talking to, you know, we're gonna call him Tree. No. We're gonna call him Pink Gun. We're gonna call him Pink Gun, okay? So, the op had texted Pink Gun. And Pink Gun had told me, was like, yo, op, you know, had texted me or whatever. And I was like, I was testing him. I didn't know I was testing him, but I was testing him. If y'all get my drift. And if you don't get my drift, I'm gonna tell the story and you'll get my drift. I was like, you should go ahead and text him. I don't care. It don't matter to me. Bitch, you know me. I'm a sensitive bitch, okay? Heavy on the bitch part and heavy on the sensitive part. You know how I am. So therefore, you should obviously take what I'm saying and throw it away and not text this nigga. But that nigga texted that nigga and then I got mad and I started talking to them both. I was like, fuck the op. You did to me. Fuck Pink Gun. Because you texted the op. Even I told the suit, bitch, you still don't need to text him. Think. Use your brain. You were like, well, I was just doing what you said. Okay. But what I say don't matter. I was testing you. I didn't know I was testing you, but I was. Duh. But I forgave him. I forgave him because I love him, whatever. I forgave him. But ever since that, we haven't got back to trying to talk or trying to be together. Right now, we just exist, and I kind of hate it, but I ain't told him nothing, cause I'm not finna keep begging this nigga to try to be with me. Like, if you wanted to be with me, you would have did it by now. It's been 2 years. Like, what's going on? What's going on? So honestly, if it happen, it happen. If it don't, it don't. I don't think it's gonna happen, but who knows? He could change my mind because he's full of surprises. Yeah. Okay, I'm done with my TED Talk. I'm really done with my TED Talk because y'all, I done really just told y'all my business. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Y'all knowing a little bit about me. I mean, I'm a very open person. I don't really have nothing to hide, honestly. So it is what it is. Okay, let me go jump in the shower because I'm over here just rinsing to y'all. But I guess I'm making the video more interesting. Yay. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go hop in the shower, y'all. Okay. Well, I'm gonna brush my teeth first, obviously, because I'm not a dirty bitch. But, yeah. Let's go.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Okay. So y'all, I am back from taking my shower. Not gonna lie, it's been a couple of hours. It's been like 2 hours since I got back with y'all. I got out of the shower at like 12 something, like early 12, like 12, 15, 12, 20, something like that. And I laid in bed and then I called a person. They pissed me off. They got on my nerves, y'all. They irritated me a little bit. And so I'm on the phone right now. He know I'm recording. He over here. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell y'all who it is, and he not gonna say hi, nothing like that. He not that type of person. Anyway, but that's neither here nor there, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat some of this food because even though it is 2 o'clock and I said I'd be in bed by 1, I lied, and then apparently now I'm being in bed by 3:30, and I gotta get up at 5 something. Yeah, so lack of sleep as usual. This is a normal night for me, so just be up, you know, after work. It's like after I come back from work, my adrenaline be high and I don't be tired. Like, or either I'm extremely tired where I drop dead, come home, I'm out, like, for the rest of the night. But tonight is where my adrenaline is high. This is a usual night for me. But yeah, we're gonna go in this kitchen. We're gonna go get this food, y'all, because I'm hungry. So let's get it and let's go.
crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds.